Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an auto-close lever on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the appropriate refrigerator door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the lever. With the screw unthreaded, lift the old lever up to remove. To install the new auto-close lever, align it on the top of the door. Then thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.